Alright, we are now printing the table with user input using the for loop. So let's enter inside the main function. First, I will create two variables. The first variable is n and the second is I. After that, I want to display one message. That's why I'm using the printf function. Inside that, I will write the message, enter the number. Okay. Once that message is displayed, I want to provide the input from the keyboard. That's why I'm using the scanf function. Inside the scanf function, we have the integer data type. So using %d, that will represent our yen, so providing the address of yen. The number provided through the input gets stored in the variable yen. After that, I'm using the for loop. Inside that, I should start with 1 and I should be less than equal to 10. And after each printing, I should get incremented. Okay, now it's time to print the table. So using printf function, inside that, providing %d into %d equals to %d. Here for here first %d will represent the n, second %d will represent the I, and third %d will represent the multiplication of n and I. That's it. Our program for printing the table is completed. It's time to save the program and execute. Message is displayed. Enter the number. I will enter 30. Okay. Now you can see table is printed, but it is in the single line. So what I will do, I will use /n and again save it and again execute it. Okay. I will enter the number 30. Now you can see that after each printing it changes the line. That's it. This is the program for printing the table using for loop with user input.